When buying an air conditioner, a lot of questions come to mind, like what exactly will happen during the installation? Will there be a lot of dust and holes in the walls? At Daikin, we want you to have the most comfortable installation experience. Prior to signing the contract, depending on the size of the split installation, your home comfort expert partner will schedule a site visit with you in order to give you a precise solution and offer. He or she will also explain in detail what's going to happen on the day of the installation. Our installation partners will do all of the work. They will cover up your furniture and belongings to make sure that they're not affected by the installation. When installing a split unit, a 50 to 100 millimeter hole will go through your wall, where all the pipes that connect the indoor and outdoor units are going to pass through. The indoor units need to be fixed onto the wall, which will require some drilling for the mounting plates. Although there will be some noise due to this necessary construction, our partners are experts and will make sure that their work is the least disturbing for you and your neighbors. After the installation, they will do a quick test run in order to ensure that everything works perfectly. And no worries, every Daikin Home Comfort Expert partner brings the necessary cleaning tools with them in order to make sure your home looks as comfortable as it did before the installation. Only now, you'll have the perfect room climate. Our partners will introduce you to the units and explain all of the features. As you can see, once you've bought your Daikin air conditioning solution, all you have to do is schedule your desired installation date with one of our partners, and your part is done. It's as easy as that. So, what are you waiting for? Find your closest Daikin Home Comfort Expert partner online.